Right, here we have the Honda HRX476 CHX. Okay, it's on the Hydrostatic, so you can control the speed. Put the choke on. Yeah, the fuel tap's on. Okay, no need to pull any levers. No, nothing. Pull the cord and it should start. Have the fuel in it. There we go. Switch off the choke. Goes beautifully. Oh dear, I forgot, there's no grass to cut. Yeah, the grass is, as you can see, very low. I'll demonstrate it. Here we go, let me just turn it around. Sun is shining over there. Right, speed you can adjust. That's the speed by which you're going to push it forward. You can turn that up, yeah. If you just push both of these levers, it'll just move, yeah, off it goes. So you don't have to actually push the mower. If you press this yellow button down and push the lever forward, the blades will start spinning and you'll probably see some air coming out from the back of it. All blades are sharpened, and there you are. And then you can drive it along, and you can see the you can see the wind generated by the blades. I'm sorry, I can't cut any grass. I assure you the blades are sharpened. Hope you like it. Turn the speed down and stop, and there you are. HRX476 CHX. Hope you like it.